In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to enable timeline in Google Maps. If you find this video useful, please be sure to like and subscribe. So let's get right into it. Now, of course, the first thing we need to go ahead and do is we need to open up our Google Maps app on our phone. So you can see I've opened it up here, and we also need to have signed into Google on our Google Maps. So once we've gone ahead and done that, in the top right hand corner, you should see a button there, a little icon, and that's going to be your Google account. So for me, it has a H, it's next to the microphone icon. For you, it'll be a bit different. You want to go ahead and tap on that. Now, once you've tapped on that, you can see a lot of different options down here. Now, the one that we want to click on is your timeline. You can see it's here below your business profile. So your timeline there, go ahead and tap on that. And here we go. It might take a few seconds to go ahead and load. But once you're ready, what you can do is you can see here it says timeline is off. You want to go ahead and tap on that, and that's going to allow us to turn timeline on. So tap on that button there. This will open up your Google settings, and you want to scroll down a little bit and you can see it says timeline, and mine's off. You want to press on the turn on button, and that's going to go ahead and turn on the timeline on Google Maps, which will then allow you to see places that you've recently been, routes you've taken, all of that kind of stuff. As you can see here, you've got day, you've got trips, insights, cities, world, and you've also got backups. So you can go ahead and basically change your backup settings so that you can keep backed up on your Google timeline. But it's really as simple as that to go ahead and do. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below that it helped, and I'll see you in the next one.